Hello student, how are you? Today I will tell you the weightage of matrix in J-main and fast revision of matrix with some special types of matrix. Let us start the video. In year 2013, the number of questions asked is 1 from transpose and adjoint. In 2014, number of question asked 1 and types of the question transpose of a matrix. In 2015, number of question asked in J-main is 1 and types of question transpose of matrix. In 2016, number of questions asked 1 and types of question transpose and adjoint of matrix. In 2016, number of question 1 and types of questions operation of matrix. In 2018, number of question 1 and types of question operation of matrix. In 2019, number of question 1, here the types of question operation of matrix and orthogonal matrix. Now I will tell you some fact, that is the fast revision of matrix. At first, the definition: a rectangular array of a number is called matrix. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and AB equal to BA only sometimes. Transpose of matrix A equal to Aij of order m by n, and A transpose equal to Ajia of order n by m, means m row and n column will change into n row and m column. Okay, next, symmetric matrix. If the transpose of matrix A equal to A itself, then it is called symmetric matrix. In skew symmetric matrix, if the transpose of matrix A equal to minus A, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. And we have also discussed cofactor and adjoint of a matrix. Idempotent matrix: if A square of a matrix equal to A, such matrix is called idempotent matrix. Let us suppose, I will give you some example of the idempotent matrix. I have a matrix 2 1 0 0, matrix A equal to, if I multiply matrix A by itself 2 1 0 0, I will get same matrix 2 1 0 0. Therefore matrix A is called idempotent matrix. Now next type is orthogonal matrix. We know that any matrix multiplied by its transpose is called orthogonal matrix. Hermitian matrix: this is a special types of matrix. A complex matrix whose conjugate transpose is itself a same matrix is called Hermitian matrix. Let us suppose, I will tell you by the help of the example, Hermitian matrix. I will tell you by the example. Let us suppose we have matrix A having element 1, 2 plus I, 2 minus I, and 0. Okay, this is a complex matrix, means whose elements are real and complex. One diagonal is the element of the one diagonals are conjugate of each other. This is 2 plus I, this is 2 minus I. 1 and 0 are the real number. If I will find out its a transpose, A transpose equal to, sorry, A conjugate equal to 1, 2 minus I, complex number, 2, conjugate of 2 plus I is 2 minus I, and conjugate of 2 minus I is 2 plus I, 0. Okay, if I will find out its a transpose, transpose of this conjugate equal to 1, 2 minus I, 2 plus I, 0. Hence, we can say we are getting same matrix which we have assumed. Therefore, matrix, given matrix A equal to 1 plus 2i, 2 minus I, 0 is a Hermitian matrix. How we can just make the example? We must know while we are making the example, we can take any real number of any one diagonal, and in the another diagonal element we can say, we can assume as a conjugate of each other. Now come to the skew Hermitian matrix. Skew Hermitian matrix is a such complex matrix whose conjugate transpose is an same matrix with negative sign. Now let us the example of such type of matrix. Let us suppose I can assume a matrix A equal to minus I and 2 plus I minus 2 plus I and I. There are some specific rule to assume the example of skew symmetric matrix. Now I will find out its transpose, its conjugate. A conjugate equal to minus conjugate of this minus i's plus I, 2 minus I, 2 plus I, sorry, 2 plus I conjugate, 2 minus I, 2 minus I minus I. Okay, now transpose of this conjugate means I to I 2 minus I minus 2 minus I minus I. Okay, now we will take minus common. Minus minus, it will be minus I, 2 plus I and minus 2 plus I and I. We are getting same matrix with negative sign, therefore it is called a skew Hermitian matrix. Now come to the diagonal matrix. We already know about the diagonal matrix. Such matrix whose all element except the diagonal are 0 is called diagonal matrix. Identity matrix, such element whose all element are 0 except diagonal which are unit. Triangular matrix. Triangular matrix are of two types. Number first, upper triangular matrix. Number second, lower triangular matrix. Now come to the upper triangular matrix. Such matrix whose the element below the diagonal are 0 called upper triangular matrix. In a lower triangular matrix, such matrix of whose element above the diagonal are 0 is called lower triangular matrix. Okay, that's all my dear student. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much.